Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be updating you guys on all the projects that we haven't talked about in a while. And at the same time, I got something really special to tell you guys. So let's get right into it. So starting off, we got the 1998 Toyota Tacoma that we've been rebuilding. And good news, it is basically 100% complete now. And even better news is that it has passed inspection. It is fully road legal now. And it's actually officially sold right as we speak. We actually just sold it recently to my uncle, who I actually work with my dad. So that's awesome because that means we can still make videos with the thing. So my uncle is basically lending us the truck for whenever we want to make a video on it. There's still a couple minor things we also have to finish on it. Emblems have to go on and a couple other minor things, which is so awesome that it's finally at this step. Oh man. Took so long. And then yeah, another thing is we're probably going to be buying new tires because my dad did take this on a little bit of a road test, and these tires are really not good for the road. Need some new rubber on this thing for sure. But yeah, that's about it for this thing. Very soon we're going to be making some more videos on it. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see us do on the truck. I'm really excited to get back on it. The next car I want to quickly talk about is actually our Mustang. You guys might have seen that on our channel. We did the engine swap on this thing, but man, it is looking so bad. This paint is just flaking off because this is like a 20-year-old paint job almost. My dad painted this when he first rebuilt the car, and the clear coat's peeling off now because red likes to do that. Yeah, there's a couple other things that kind of happened recently to it. Oh boy. So the plan is basically my dad wants to fully repaint this thing, and we're gonna be making this car look brand new again. And my dad's actually gonna probably start doing that this year, and we're gonna be repainting it basically the same beautiful red with twin racing stripes right down the middle. It's gonna look so good, and maybe throw in a couple mods as well. So if you're into the Mustang build, you can definitely look forward to that this coming year. I can't wait to see this thing look like a show car again. As for my 2015 Dodge Challenger RT that we've been rebuilding, we actually basically got the car 100% complete now. And actually today, as of this filming, I'm actually gonna be sending it away for its final inspection, and hopefully it passes. And I mean, it should pass because there's no reason why I shouldn't, but if it does pass, that means I can finally drive this thing. I can't wait. It's gonna be so awesome, and I'm super excited. We also got the exhaust all done, and the exhaust tips are on the back. It looks amazing. We're gonna fire this thing up so you guys can hear what it sounds like. That sounds awesome. Look at that. Man, that sounds amazing. That's gonna be awesome. As for this hunk of junk, we're kind of scrapping this Jaguar. So this Jaguar originally we were actually planning on rebuilding, and then it had a whole bunch of rust underneath. And when I mean a whole bunch, I mean it was like a whole bunch. It was so rusty.
Oh boy, wow. This is getting worse.
We could have done it. My dad was confident that he could have done it.
Oh boy.
But it was more of a time thing, and we have a few too many rebuilders already on the go, and it would have been too much. So we're scrapping this thing. No go on it anymore. As for this monster of a vehicle right here, this is our 1974 Ford LTD, and we basically don't have any plans for it this year other than taking it out for a couple drives. We did take it just out of hibernation for the summer, and it still runs amazing, and my dad took it for a drive already, and the paint is still in very original condition, meaning that it's starting to fade a little bit, but who knows, maybe eventually we'll give this thing a paint job, but nothing planned this year for it. Well, here's my dad, and behind us is Dad's project that we are hopefully going to be starting soon.
Yeah, hopefully, because we talked about this a while ago, and we were planning to actually get going on this thing, and other things came up and other projects, your car, the Challenger.
Oh yeah. So what is this exactly?
Well, this is a 1969 Chevy C10 short box, two-wheel drive, obviously.
Yeah, it's like a hot rod truck.
I did have a start on it a long time ago.
Yeah.
We did all the front suspension on here. It's lowered. It's got lowering spindles, lowering coils.
Oh yeah, this thing's gonna be slammed. It's gonna be like a hot rod truck.
Yeah, sitting on these wheels underneath these skates.
Yeah.
So it doesn't give you the actual true height.
And the engine's not in it because the
Yeah.
engine's actually right there.
So I've got this motor. We had that for the longest time already. A friend of mine rebuilt it for me. We did some horse trading.
Fully rebuilt.
350, just warmed up a little bit, nothing too crazy.
Yeah.
I have a transmission lined up for it already, laying over there.
Yeah.
That's a 700 R4, so we get the nice overdrive.
Gonna be a nice truck.
Yeah.
But yeah.
The point of it was to build something that you can just cruise around and still get decent gas mileage and still have some get up and go.
Yeah. And we're basically gonna be putting it together. Hopefully this year we're gonna be for sure starting it.
Yeah, that's the
goal. Plan.
We've cleared a slate. This color here is the color the truck's going to be.
Oh yeah.
So it's going to be it's actually Viper red.
Yeah,
it's the brightest red I could find.
That's crazy. It's gonna look so good, especially with all that chrome in there and that beautiful motor. If you guys are looking forward to that, then subscribe because we're gonna be starting that soon. All right, time for the interesting news. So basically, I'm going to Japan very soon. Actually, this next week, me and a whole bunch of my friends. It's gonna be 7 of us in total. We're going on a trip to Japan. So I'm gonna be gone for 2 weeks for that. That's gonna be insane. Also, I'm gonna be vlogging it all. So I'm gonna be posting that probably. I'm gonna start making videos on that when I get back. Gonna be totally different than what I normally have on this channel, but I think it's gonna be really fun. Well, it's definitely gonna be fun. Some fun vlogs for the whole thing, the whole trip, and there'll be some good memories and I'll make some fun videos out of it as well. So that's just so you know, it might be a bit of a break for a couple next videos, but that's pretty normal anyway. Whenever I get to it, I get to it. And yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy that. And I'll see you guys when I get back from Japan. And if you have any thoughts or you need any more updates for anything else, any questions below, drop them in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya. Turn off.